This launcher might be the one you switching to. Let's find out why. So this is before launcher with a clean and minimal focused UI helps you use your phone less. But this is more than that. It has this clean home screen with a text list where you can add 8 of your favorite apps along with this scrollable or searchable app list with your most recent apps bubbled to the top. As well as these notification filters which I haven't seen before in any other launcher, so your less important notifications that you don't wanna flash or vibrate, those all notifications will be here and they are still accessible, and obviously your important notifications will still work normally. And that's not the end of it. You can change the background color. You've got 7 of them to choose from. I personally really love the black one since it really suits my phone because of its black color. And unlike other apps I've seen that trying to do the same thing doesn't have this many features. However, it would be nice to see an option to hide apps from the app list. But overall the app is clean, fast and functioned. Other than Noah, I'd prefer this one to check out. Really worth a shot. The app is free and the link is in the description down below. Alright, thanks for watching. I'm Naveen. Catch me in the next one. See ya.